Welcome to Arlen's Garden. Today I'm going to be washing my car with this brand new power washer LQR. I'm just going to tell you a little bit about how to use this. The LQR LWQ comes with power nozzle, has three different pressures: high pressure, medium, lower, and low. So they recommend this one, the lowest, the white one, for washing your car. But I used the green one, and it worked pretty good. This is for concrete, and this is for blowing metal, paint off metal, I guess. But I'm gonna use the green one, and the first thing you do when you get this, before you wash anything, you turn the water on, pull the trigger. You got to make sure that the pump is not dry. So the company wants you to pump water through it and then turn the power washer on. So it's ready to go. And then I'll put that down there. And the foamer, our first car we washed with a trial run, this is half full. So it took about a quarter to wash our little Kia. So we're going to see how this lasts. So you push it in. Push it in, and then you gotta push it in. There we go. Push it further, because you think you're in there, but you're not. Just push it further and it snaps right in. So I'm ready with the, and it's light enough that you can carry it with you, because you know, you might not be able to reach that far with your hose or anything. So I'll start washing.
Okay, go ahead.
All right, the foamer worked good. I used but a quarter of that down to here and went out. Now remove the foamer, and the one thing about it is their cords might get all messed up. All right. We'll snap it in and turn. There we go. Takes an extra little push. We're using soap, dishwashing soap, 4X grease power cutting. It looks like it did really good. One thing it does is foam up. It really foams up, so I had to wash the foam away more than the dirt. But so far I liked it. So like and subscribe for more videos from Arlen's Garden. Thank you.